Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. When we are working with soldering iron, most of the time the tip of the soldering iron becomes too much dirty. It is oxidized. How we can clean it, how we can refresh the tip. When the tip of soldering iron becomes dirty, it will not catch the solder. It creates smoke, but it does not take solder. For that purpose we need tin refresher chemical. It is tip refresher. It is Chinese product and it is very useful. Let's see it. Use cleaning sponge. Put some water. Now this cleaning sponge, it is ready. It is available in electronics spare parts shops. Open it. This is in powder form. Now clean this soldering iron on this pad. Place it here and allow it to work for a while. Clean it. We can see now the tip is becoming clear. Clean it. Another time. In third coat we can see its shape is now becoming good. Now it is tinned and it is working now nicely. Before this its shape was too bad, but now it is good. When you want to finish your work, always clean the tip at the wet sponge and apply solder. After that immediately turn it off. When you will leave a solder layer on the soldering bit, it will never damage. It will not build oxides at all. Now we will see this one. Clean it another time. We can see, so it is ready now. Now check this one. We can see now it is good. Now we can see the tips of the 3 soldering iron are now good. If this video is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.